Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and a good wherever you are. My name is JP, and welcome to Websites for Beginners. And we're doing everything breakdowns. We're up to Module 3. I can't believe we got here, and Module 4 is almost complete, so just around the corner. Quick note, in previous modules, I mentioned about our dedicated breakdance channel called Learn Breakdance or Breakdance for Beginners. After much consideration and taking advice from the peanut gallery, I decided that in terms of time and effort, I unfortunately cannot keep that channel also going. So everything will be focused on this channel, and I'll be bringing everything breakdance to this channel. And you will see a lot of stuff from breakdance coming to this channel. But we're not here to talk about all that. We're here to talk about Module 3, which is blogging. When I talk about blogging, Breakdance will prefer to use the term dynamic data. And I think this is also where many beginners kind of lose confidence in their ability when they hear this word dynamic data, trying to wrap your head around exactly what dynamic data is and how does it work for you. In its purest form, dynamic data starts with something like blogging. And I think that's why it's very important that you get that under your belt. Make sure you lock that in at a very foundational level. And then start building out from there, bringing in things like fields and custom post types and working on that. And those are all things for the future. That's why this Module 3 course is so important. Even before you can do something like WooCommerce for Module 4, Module 3 will solidify your understanding of how we work with data that is separate from the page and how you bring all of that onto the page. In Module 1 and 2, I actually recreated sites from other builders like Divi. I used some of their templates, just an example, and recreated it within Breakdance to show you we can do the easy stuff. We can also do complicated stuff. But in this one, I really went the extra step and tried to create something brand new so that we can look at how you build out a blogging site. This is a travel blog. It's a specific blog for a girl here where I live in a province called the Western Cape. We have beautiful tourist areas. You can Google it a little bit to find out more about it. And the whole idea of her as a creator is to do this kind of blogging only in this area, create this niche and create a brand. One of the things you will note for this kind of blogging site is that we constantly are throwing news into the visitor's face. And that is why your homepage is so important. We have categories area, tags area. We'll go through all of this. What we won't cover, though, is how you actually write a blog, because in Breakdance, you still write the blog within the WordPress editor, or the word that people are still sticking to, Gutenberg. If you don't know what Gutenberg is, it's the WordPress editor. And that's how you will still create your post, your blog within Breakdance, well, actually WordPress, and then we import that into Breakdance. And you'll see how we're going to do that. That means that if you don't know how to create a post within WordPress, you'll need to go check out the videos here on the channel or find some other videos online. I plan to do a revision of this in a couple of months, maybe next year. This year is actually really booked, but we'll see. Maybe we'll get there. So apart from using the post list element to create this amazing front page, we're going to look at how you create a template for your single posts and a sidebar, as well as how you do your own post archives. And then even you can set up independent category archives. And what I found as I was doing this tutorial is that we'll get to a point where we will actually need two headers, because the one header didn't work on the specific design. And I needed to create a second header and assign conditions. Again, if this sounds a little bit complicated, no. Just watch what I do and you'll see. Remember, no coding ever. You're a beginner. This is a complete package. We're keeping things as simple as possible, and we're having fun. I love exploring Breakdance, other builders as well. This is fun to me. With all of that out of the way, this is another 4-hour plus tutorial. And I hope you understand that we always go in depth here and that the focus is always the beginner. And what I mean by beginner is not someone who is proficient in creating websites but has never worked with Breakdance. I actually mean people who know very little about how to create websites in general. They've heard of Breakdance. They wonder if Breakdance is a good option. Should I invest my money in this builder? I think if you want to go pro, all of these modules will help you to make up that decision. Let's get cracking. Let's head on into the tutorial. As always, I thank you for your support.